A quiet question follows you today, Libra. Not from others, from that place inside that always negotiates. If you stop turning every answer into fairness, it might finally feel real. Your voice carries weight even when it whispers, especially when it's your own. You don't have to prove balance. Living in truth is what steadies it. Harmony doesn't ask for silence. It asks for presence.
Morning drifts in like a decision you haven't made yet, Libra. Every color asks for space, but you're the one who must choose the tone. You don't owe calm to everyone. Peace starts when you stop apologizing for wanting it. Let honesty ripple gently. Truth sounds softer when it's kind. Today isn't about balance. It's about letting beauty tilt your way for once.